Hi everybody. In this video I'll show you how to make a quick sale. Let's log into the software, uTouchPOS++ software. From menu window you need to go to quick sale. Let's say we want to make a one item. We already made a test 3 item. So if you click on the test item, it will pop up in the left side. If you have any, let's add it twice, try it 3 times. You can confirm the sale, and if you want to make a payment, if you go to payment, credit card, you can make the transaction by cash, credit card, debit card, EBT, gift card, and other way of payment. Let's do it with cash payment. I'll show you the credit card payment in next video. So if you want to, if the pair is give you exact amount, you can click on exact amount, or you can put the other type of payment. Let's say 5. The change is 1.83, pay by cash, and if it will pop up a window if you want to print the receipt. Let's say yes. That's it. So yeah, in this video we have showed you how to make a quick sale with uTouchPOS software. Thank you.